Hello everyone, welcome to another video. It's been 3 weeks since the last post and I have decided to take the iPhone 5 and find out is it still worth it in 2020. The iPhone 5 was launched in 2012 and is the last iPhone with a lot of input from Steve Jobs. It came out with a pretty unique design. As for the charging port, it came with a light charging port and that was a revolution. It also has a headphone jack that makes it a great music player. This iPhone 5 is a 32GB unit with 1GB of RAM. It runs iOS 10.3.4 and it's the most supported iPhone from iOS 6. The iOS 10.3.4 was the last update for this iPhone, and some apps are not supported, like YouTube. But it runs TikTok so smooth, and that is great news for this phone. Sometimes navigating gets laggy, but that's not a problem. I downloaded some games and I'm going to try one of them. Just trying to start it. The gaming experience in this phone is very good and it's so smooth. I found a way to watch YouTube, and that's from Safari browser on YouTube web. The back camera is a 8 megapixel camera and it can shoot on 1080p. It has the auto brightness feature. Back in time, this one was one of my favorite apps, and I really liked it. Overall, it has a good battery life, great camera, and very good design, and it's still worth it in 2010. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.